In this video, I'm going to teach the Heikin Ashi trading strategy that we feature here at Stock Market Guides. On my screen right now is a stock chart that uses Heikin Ashi candles. Now, these are different from normal candles that you might see on a stock chart. They're designed to kind of smooth things out and reduce some of the noise. And you might tell just from looking at this chart that it looks a little smoother and a little easier to identify the changes in direction than you might see on a normal chart. And as far as learning, how are these candles determined? How do they come up with this? What are the calculations for how they do this? We have a separate article that teaches that, and you're welcome to look into that. We have a link to that article from the description where you're seeing this video. And so you're welcome to see that. But the key thing is just to know what the strategy is. And if you're interested in seeing Heikin Ashi candles on your own trading platform, if they're available, you can just change the chart style to use them. So like here in Thinkorswim, I right click the chart, I go down to style, and for the chart type, that's where I can determine which exact candle types I want. So for normal candles, I would choose this. For Heikin Ashi, of course, I would choose this, and that's what I have enabled right now. And so the strategy is quite simple. The strategy is simply, if the most recent candle is red and then the following candle is green, that gives a buy signal. And you can see for this particular period of time, that might have paid off pretty well, depending on exactly how long you would be holding the trade. But you can see that after, once it goes from red to green, there's some nice little runs here that can be captured. Now, of course, it doesn't always work out that way, and that's the challenge of trading. There's no way to know for sure what's going to happen. What we try to do, though, is just give you the information that might put the odds in your favor. And so if we send you a trade alert for, say, Apple, for a Heikin Ashi trade setup, what we'll do is show you how many times has this trade setup occurred in the past. And you can see for yourself how it's performed, and then make your own decision about what you feel about the odds of success for that trade. And you can decide whether to take the trade, and at least you're informed about its historical performance. So that's it. It's really just that simple of a strategy. If you have any questions about this strategy or about anything else we offer here, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.